Today, we are looking at the role chiropractic care plays in injury prevention and injury recovery. When it comes to physical activities, injuries can be a setback, whether it's a sprained ankle from a game of pickup basketball or a strained muscle from lifting heavy boxes. Injuries can disrupt entire lives and lead to chronic issues if not appropriately addressed. From an injury prevention standpoint, a well-adjusted body is more flexible, balanced, and less prone to injury. Regular chiropractic care can help maintain optimal alignment and balance of your spine, leading to better posture and biomechanics. By improving joint mobility, function, balance, and resilience, the risk of injuries is minimized.